Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sharing Diecast. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for notification, and leave some comment in my videos. Today I will show you a green light series named Dually Drivers that I have here. Check this beauty. I have here 9 different castings from this series, Dually Drivers. The first one is the 2018 Ram 3500 Bighorn Harvest Edition. Check this beauty. Now I have here two of the same one. This one is the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD dump truck. Look at that. This one is in orange. Super fun. Let me put this one here. The next one is in white, is the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. This version is the US Border Patrol. Border Patrol. This one I will keep it in the package because I will send it to Puerto Rico to my cousins over there, and I want to share it with you first before I send it. Okay, the next one is the 2017 Ram 3500 Laramie Mopar Off-Road Edition. Check the Mopar tampon on the door. It's in blue. This is a Dodge brand logo here. This one have half blue, half black. The back is in black. It's a nice series. Okay, let's do the next one. Is another 2018 Ram 3500 Laramie with ladder rack. Check the ladder here. This one is in olive green. It's a beautiful green light casting. Back of the truck with the cabinet on the side. I will put this one on the left, and the next one that I will share with you is the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. This one is a wrecker. Check the back. Very nice. It's in black, this one. This one don't have any tampon on the side, any decoration. Have a lot of details. It's an amazing casting. Right, let's do the next one. This one is the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD crane truck. This one has a cabinet in the back too. It's in white. Don't have any deco. just a detail. Backlight, nice details. These are plastic, the base. Like I said before, I will send these casting to my family in Puerto Rico. I have one cousin that collect this series Dually Driver from Greenlight. Alright, and let's do the last one. The last one is the 2018 Ram 3500 Bighorn Harvest Edition. This one is in blue. Have a lot of details. Check the back. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. It was a little bit short, but I want to share it with you, this series Dually Drivers. There is a lot more casting of this series. This one is series 3. Dually Driver have different one. I have series 4. If you like the truck, maybe this series is for you. This one is 4 too. I didn't show the back of the car. Only say Dually Drivers. Series 4. This one is 4 too. I have only 4 and 3 here. I hope you like, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and leave me some comment if you want to see something different. You want to see any series, any casting, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I want to say hi to my people in Puerto Rico. I miss you guys over there. Love you. And all my people here in the USA from Puerto Rico too. Alright. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching Sharing Diecast. Bye bye.